What if we could simply skip? The universe, in its boundless indifference, offers no shortcuts. Yet, the persistent human heart, ever yearning for mastery, seeks to bend time itself. We imagine a button, a divine skip, to fast forward through the mundane and the painful, resolving hangovers in a mere 24 hours, saving several days of yearly commuting, leaping past the grinding frustration of 3 years of entry-level employment. The allure is potent, but this temporal evasion disconnects. Friends, those anchors in the flow of existence change significantly every 7 years. Habits evolve rapidly, morphing work behaviors into pajama-based productivity. The cost, however, is far more profound. By 2030, an approximate 40% of essential skills will change. This potentially causes unemployment for these time skippers, brutally exposing the lie that true progress can be achieved by simply bypassing the struggle. A profound question emerges: what is the true nature of progress when the path itself is erased? This same relentless drive to accelerate defines humanity's boldest ventures into the cosmic dark, motivated by NASA's March 2026 pivot to a lunar surface base. SpaceX unveils an audacious internal concept: the simultaneous landing of 2 Falcon Heavy side boosters on a single moving drone ship. This innovation aims to address a critical logistical bottleneck, consolidating recovery assets for Starship version 3 scaling. It frees maritime assets to support deep space ambitions, national security, and next-generation heavy-lift missions. Launch Complex 39A is transitioning to primarily Falcon Heavy and Starship operations, relocating routine Falcon 9 launches to Space Launch Complex 40 to dedicate LC-39A to vehicles demanding more infrastructure and preparation. Mastering dual booster recovery not only prevents Falcon Heavy missions from sacrificing Falcon 9 tempo, but also reduces the need for 2 active East Coast drone ships, allowing the repurposed just read the instructions JRTRI to support Starship version 3 hardware transport from Starbase Texas to Florida. Yet, this monumental leap into efficiency is fraught with staggering engineering risks. Up to 2 side boosters or the drone ship itself could be lost or damaged during descent. Precise booster separation is paramount, necessary to avoid direct collisions on a limited deck. The immense thrust interference from one booster's Merlin 1D engine, generating approximately 190,000 pounds of thrust, could destabilize the already landed booster or damage its sensitive equipment. Post-landing stability presents a serious risk due to unpredictable ocean variables, where a single wave motion or gust increases chances of sliding, leaning, or tipping over for 2 heavy Falcon Heavy boosters standing on deck. These are the cold, unforgiving truths of pushing boundaries. Mitigation strategies, like strict launch discipline, avoiding poor sea states, and employing staggered landing approaches, are crucial. Routine dual booster recovery demands structural reinforcement of drone ships, enhanced precision in guidance and navigation systems, and advanced simulations for descent profiles and engine plume interaction, all vital for the circa 70 to 80% cost savings from reusing all 3 Falcon Heavy cores for high-value contracts. The repurposed Just Read the Instructions drone ship, a robust barge with 4 powerful azimuth thrusters, upgraded electrical systems totaling 6 diesel generators, and Starlink connectivity, transforms into a mobile offshore logistics node, embodying the sheer power required for Starship version 3 logistics. Whether skipping life's trials or conquering orbital mechanics, the cosmic truth remains: shortcuts tempt, but true progression, with its grand rewards, always demands a brutal, uncompromising toll. We push against the very fabric of existence, seeking mastery, seeking acceleration. And in doing so, we uncover a pattern. The universe demands its price. We found the pattern. We still don't know why it persists across such disparate scales.